जय हिंद साथियों, नमस्कार। मैं हूं ओम सर। मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने चैनल ओजेडी कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन पर। आज का टॉपिक है ओ लेवल एग्जाम सीरीज। ओ लेवल एग्जाम सीरीज के अति महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न 50 क्वेश्चंस को लेकर आया हूं। ओ लेवल 5th रिवाइज्ड सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग ये क्वेश्चंस हैं। पूरी टीम का एक ही लक्ष्य है कि हर एक बच्चा ओ लेवल में पास हो सके। आप ओजेडी के गोमती नगर संस्थान में भी ऑफलाइन व यूट्यूब के माध्यम से ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं। यह संस्थान 2011 से स्टूडेंट का करियर बनाने में मदद कर रहा है। यहाँ ओजेडी प्लेसमेंट सेल के माध्यम से हजारों स्टूडेंट आज इंडिया की टॉप कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं।
ओजेडी कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन आप सभी का स्वागत करता है नाइलेट ओ लेवल के आईओटी 4th पेपर में। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे सेट नंबर 5 जो कि है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 201 से 250 तक। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस स्लाइड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 201, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ INA? ऑप्शन ए इंटरनल असेसमेंट न्यूमेरिकल एक्सेस, ऑप्शन बी इंटरनेट एसोसिएशन नंबर अथॉरिटी, ऑप्शन सी इंटरनेशनल एड फॉर नेटवर्क ऑटोमेशन, ऑप्शन डी इंटरनेट असाइंड नंबर्स अथॉरिटी। एंड द राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी इंटरनेट असाइंड नंबर्स अथॉरिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, question number 202, the storage in dash in IoT, option A limited, option B unlimited, option C 22, option D all of these. And the right answer will be option A limited. The storage is limited in IoT. Next question, at what rate can NFC transmit the data? Option A 424 kbps, option B 1106 kbps, option C 216 kbps, option D all of these. And the right answer will be option number A 424 kbps. NFC transmit data at the rate of 424 kbps. Next question, question number 204, which of the following uses the Java language? Option A JSON, option B MMQT, option C GAN, options D none of these. And the right answer will be option number A JSON. JSON, which is Global Sensor Network, uses a Java as it more portable than other languages like C++ and Python. Next question, which one out of these is in format which is not readable by user? Option A encryption, option B password, option C text, option D none of these. And the right answer will be option number A encryption. Encryption is converting the data into a specific form that is unreadable to any other users. Next question, with two-factor authentication, which attack can be user vulnerable to? Option A ransomware attack, option B man in middle attack, option C cross attack, option D radiant attack. And the right answer will be option number B man in middle attack. User may be vulnerable to a man in middle attack even after two-factor authentication. Next question, question number 207, a dash is a component that execute a program in IoT system. Option A microconverter, option B microcontroller, option C microsensor, option D none. And the right answer will be option B microcontroller. A microcontroller is a component that execute a program in an IoT system. It consists of command unit, storage, memory, timers that are used to handle the execution of a program. Next question, question number 208, domain name system is used to? Option A provide system security, option B enhance network communication, option C increase data speed, option D obtain IP address. And the right answer will be option number D, domain name system is used to obtain IP address. Next question, the main purpose of Web of Things WOT in IoT is? Option A to increase the cost, option B to improve the security, option C to improve the usability and interoperability, option number D all of these. And the right answer will be option number C, Web of Things or WOT is used to improve the usability and interoperability of IoT. Next question, dash is a security mechanism used in Wi-Fi. Option A WPA, option B HTTP, option C MLA, option D none of these. And the right answer will be option number A WPA. WPA is a security mechanism used in Wi-Fi. Next question, question number 211, the collection of dash that connects several devices is called the bus. Option A network, option B lines, option C cables, option D none of these. And the right answer will be option B lines. A collection of lines that connects several devices called bus. Next question, many value logic is formed because of dash. Option A binary logic, option B hexalogic, option C fuzzy logic, option D all of these. And the right answer will be Option number C, fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is an approach to variable processing that allow for multiple possible truth values to be processed through the same variable. Next question. LT stand for option A long term evolution, option B lower terminal evolution, option C long term evolution, option number D none of this, and the right answer will be option A long term evolution. Full form of LT is long term evolution. Next question. In IoT, does the dash layer helps in end-to-end communication? Option A security, option B transport, option C data communication, option D logical, and the right answer will be option number B transport layer. Transport layer helps in end-to-end communication. Next question. What do RESTful API system allow to the users? Option A to enhance security, option B modify communication capabilities, option C control electronic components, option D all of this, and the right answer will be option number C control electronic components. RESTful API system allow the user to control electronic components. Next question. Question number 216, full form of HART. Option number A highway address remote transmitter, option B highway addressable remote transducer, option C highway addressable router transmitter, option D highway address remote transmitter, and the right answer will be option number B highway addressable remote transducer is a full form of HART. Next question. Question number 217, in which of the following way the data is associated with an IoT device? Option A internet, option B network connection, option C cables, option D clouds, and the right answer will be option number D cloud. IoT device data associated with the cloud storage. Next question. Question number 218, how many wires does the SPI protocol use? Option A 3 wires, option B 4 wires, option C 2 wires, or option D more than 4 wires, and the right answer will be option number B 4 wires. SPI protocol uses the 4 wire system. Next question. Question number 219, what type of interface is used by the fingerprint sensor to collect the data? Option A IPI interface, option B UART interface, option C I2P interface, option D none, and the right answer will be option number B UART interface. The UART interface is used by fingerprint sensors to collect the data. Next question. Question number 220, what is the standard form of LLN? Option A lower lossy network, option B low power lossy network, option C lossy low power network, option D low lossy power network, and the right answer will be option number C lossy low power networks. So lossy low power networks is a full form of LLN. Next question. What is the Java extension file used in IoT? Option A .jar, option B .obj, option C .cpp, option D .exe, and the right answer will be option A .jar. .jar is the Java extension file which used in IoT. Next question. Full form of VNC is dash. Option A virtual network of computer, option B vary networks of computer, option C virtual network for communication, option number D virtual network computing, and the right answer will be option number D virtual network computing. Virtual network computing is the full form of VNC. Next question. Question number 223, IoT network is called option A collection of network devices, option B a collection of signal devices, option C a collection of interconnected devices, option D none of the above, and the right answer will be option number C a collection of interconnected devices. IoT network is a collection of interconnected devices. Next question. Question number 224, at which level does the router operates in the OSI reference model? Option A network, option B data link, option C physical, option D none of this, and the right answer will be option A network. And at network level, which level does the router operates in the OSI reference model? The next question. Question number 225, what is the mandatory for an IP packet to contain? Option A destination address, option B source IP address, option C both of these, option D none of this. Option number C is right. Each IP packets must contain source and destination IP address. Next question. Question number 226, how many types of capacitive sensors are available? Option A 2 types, option B 3 types, option C 4 types, option D 5 types, and the right answer will be option C 2 types. There are 2 types of capacitive sensors are available in the market. Next question. Question number 227, dash used in washing machine. Option A microprocessor, option B microcontroller, option C DST11, option D IR, and the right answer will be microcontroller. Microcontroller used in washing machines. Next question. Question number 2 to 8. Example of pressure sensor is option A IR sensor, option B DST11, option C LDR, option D barometer, and the right answer will be barometer. Barometer example of pressure sensors. Next question. Question number 2 to 9. Dash command line utility allows us to perform specific interaction with the Intel IoT analytics. Option A IoT kit adder, option B IoT kit host, option C IoT kit admin 33, option D IoT kit admin, and the right answer will be IoT kit admin. IoT kit admin command line utility allows us to perform the specific interaction with Intel IoT analytics. Next question. Question number 230. Dash hardware is used to as alternative for an embedded system. Option A ICP, option B ICE, option C ICS, option D ICX, and the right answer will be option number B IC. IC or in circuit emulator hardware is used as alternative for an embedded system. Next question. Question number 231. Example of sophisticated scale embedded system are dash. Option number A Arduino, option B fire alarm, option C IP cameras, option D DST11, and the right answer will be option number C. IP cameras are example of sophisticated embedded system. Next example. Question number 232. Gyroscope is used to measure dash. Option A static velocity, option B passive velocity, option C active velocity, option D angular velocity, and the right answer will be option number D angular velocity. Gyroscope is used to measure the angular velocity. Next question. Question number 233. A microprocessor work using dash and dash digit. Option A 00 and 11, option B 0.1 and 1.1, option number C 0.0 and 1.1, option D 0 and 1, and the right answer will be a microprocessor work using 0 and 1 digit. Question 234. Dash in is example of a standalone embedded system. Option A doorbell, option B small digital wrist, option C washing machine, option D all of the above, and the right answer will be all of the above is an example of standalone system. Next question. Question number 235. A sensor uses dash network. Option A LAN, option B PAN, option C HAN, option D all of the above, and the right answer will be a sensor uses LAN, PAN, HAN networks for data transmission. So option D will be right. Next question. Dash are the disadvantages of embedded system. Option A high technology, option B long marketing, option C both A and B, option D none of the above, and the right answer will be both A and B. Option number C will be right. High technology and long marketing are disadvantages of embedded system. Next question. Question number 237. Dash types motion actuators are preferred. Option A auxiliary, option B transactional, option C rotatory, option D uniform, and the right answer will be option number C rotatory. Rotatory type motion actuators are preferred. Next question. Question number 238. Motorola 68000 are all examples of dash. Option A sensors, option B microcontrollers, option C actuators, option D microprocessor, and the right answer will be option D microprocessor. Motorola 68000 are the example of microprocessor. Next question. Question number 239. In IoT, what is the role of a smart grid? Option A collect the data, option B filter the data, option C analyze the data, option D prediction on data, and the right answer will be option number A collect the data. Role of a smart grid is to collect the data in IoT. Next question. Question number 240. Which sensor we can use in any type of object detection? Option A LDR, option B DST11, option C DST22, option D IR sensor, and the right answer will be option number D IR sensor. IR sensor we can use in any type of object detection. Next question. Question number 241. Using which sensor we can get moisture level from humidity? Option A capacitive, option B resistive, option C thermal, option D all of the above, and the right answer will be option number A capacitive. Using capacitive sensors we can get moisture level from humidity. Next question. What is the full form of LCD? Option A liquid crisp display, option B liquid crystal display, option C long crystal display, option D long cast display, and the right answer be option number B liquid crystal display. LCD or liquid crystal display is a type of flat panel display which uses liquid crystal in its primary form of operation. So option number B will be the right. Next question. LilyPad Arduino run at dash megahertz. Option A 8 megahertz, option B 9 megahertz, option C 6 megahertz, option number D 4 megahertz, and the right answer will be 8 megahertz. LilyPad Arduino runs at 8 megahertz. Next question. Question number 244. We have a dash type of Arduino. Option A 5 types, option B 4 types, option C 3 types, option D 8 types, and the right answer will be we have 8 types of Arduino boards. Next question. The entity in IoT is dash. Option A business, option B consumers, option C government, option D all of above, and the right answer will be all option are entity of IoT. So all of the or option number D will be the right. Next question. Question number 246. Mostly used protocol in IoT. Option A ZigBee, option B MQTT, option C XMPP, option D all of the above, and the right answer will be option number D, all of above will be the right answer. All protocol we used in IoT. Next question. Question number 247. Dash and dash are debugging tool. Option A simulator, option B emulator, option C both A and B, option D none of the above, and our right answer will be option number C, both A and B. Simulator and emulator are the debugging tools. So option number C will be the right answer. Next question. Question number 248. Which of the following is lightweight protocol used in IoT application? Option A HTTP, option B WebSocket, option C MQTT, option D all of the above, and the right answer will be option number C MQTT. MQTT, lightweight protocol used in IoT applications. Next question. Question number 249. The term dash derived from the current loop signaling. Option A break, option B pass, option C function, option D none of all, and the right answer will be option A break. The term break derives from the current loop signaling. Next question. Question number 250. Dash memory storage is widely used in embedded system. Option A DRAM, option B SRAM, option C VRAM, option D CRAM, and the right answer will be DRAM. DRAM memory storage is widely used in embedded system. So this is the last question of our fifth set.
आपके लिए महत्वपूर्ण सूचना है कि आप हमारे संस्थान से ऑफलाइन क्लासरूम व YouTube ऑनलाइन के माध्यम से पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, जहां आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, वेबसाइट डिज़ाइनिंग, ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग, ओ लेवल, CCC, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग, IoT, टैली प्राइम, GST, C++, जावा, पाइथन, .NET एंड अदर टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट ट्रेनिंग व अन्य कोर्सेज को इंडस्ट्री बेस्ट प्रोफेशनल से पढ़ सकते हैं। आपको कुछ पूछना है तो आप हमें ojditconline@gmail.com पर मेल भेज सकते हैं। आप OJD कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एवं सब्सक्राइब कर दें, जिससे आगे के वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जुड़ने के लिए। कीप लर्निंग, सी यू सून इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो।